What's up, guys? Welcome to my another relaxing camping trip by a beautiful big river. Today's video, I'm about to represent you one of the campsite located in Aumanao village, Narathiwat province, Thailand. It is the perfect escape to unwind and enjoy nature's tranquility. Hi everyone, welcome to one vlog again. So today I'm taking you on a chill camping adventure by a big scenic river, as you can see behind me. Let's start by finding the perfect spot to set up our stuff right by the river. So I'll create a cozy campsite with a beautiful view of the water. Another highlight of this trip video is cooking by the river. I'll be preparing some simple yet delicious meals using basic camping gear. Don't forget to join me as I cook and enjoy a peaceful meal in this stunning location. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to One Vlog for more outdoor adventures.